Good evening and welcome back to this extended severe weather coverage here on KSAN News. We are continuing to track a tornado warning until 10:45 this evening in Kimball County. This is heading towards Junction. What you're looking at right now are the storm winds. These are the winds that are going towards the radar. These are the winds that are going away. And right in between here, this is where we've got an area of concern, an area of rotation towards the Brady area. So I want you to be aware of that we could see up to tennis ball size hail with this. Let's go ahead and see what the radar is actually saying hail-wise for us here as this comes into portions of McCulloch County. Let's get a good analysis here on this. Golf ball size hail, so that is severe limits there. So it's still continuing to come down across much of San Angelo, and I don't know if you can see the flakes flying in front of the camera, but they're still coming down here, and we've still got a ways to go. Howdy there from the San Angelo Stock Show and Rodeo. Here we are out at Foster Coliseum where we are seeing cloudy skies across the area. It's a little bit on the cool side, so if you're coming out to the rodeo this evening, you're going to want a jacket much like this one because not only is it cold, but it's also windy, a little bit breezy, so you're going to feel that chill in the air. Good evening, Concho Valley. I'm here live at Brown Honda of San Angelo, and we've got to fill this truck right here this week. We've got 1 week to do it with non-perishable food items for the Concho Valley Regional Food Bank, so come on out here and bring your non-perishable food items. Let's get to forecast first right now and take a look at what's going on. We've got really nice weather here in the Concho Valley. It's sitting at 74 degrees. One thing I did do is poll everybody here at KSAN what their favorite Halloween candy is, and Lisette's favorite candy was candy corn, and so I have some, so get ready. You gonna catch this?
Yes.
There you go. All right, close it out.
Thanks, Aaron. It's my favorite. That's all for KSAN News at 10. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.
With your Storm Team weather, here's Chief Meteorologist Aaron Ayers, sponsored by Big Country Equipment.
Well, it continues to be a cloudy, misty, rainy day here across much of West Texas. And as we go into our weather headlines, we're going to continue to see that chance for more rain, potential flooding for some of our communities. Back to the 90s by Sunday with more sunshine as we head into next week. That live look across downtown there, you can still see some of that mist falling across the area. Almanac today, we made it to a high of 67. That's well below average for us for this time of the year. We average around 84 for our daytime highs this time of the year. The record is 100 back in 1948. This morning's low of 59. That's pretty close to where we should be for this time of the year, but definitely a warm night last night thanks to the clouds. 32 is that record back in 1908. And as we take a look at where we're sitting currently, it's 64. Some light rain falling out at the airport. Dew point at 62 degrees. Look at that. Feels like temperature at 64. Temperature at 64 and that dew point of 62. Yep, that humidity is going to be up there with winds out of the north-northeast at 7 miles an hour. Rainfall so far observed today out at the airport, 0.02 of an inch. So there's still more rain coming our way, and it's all thanks to this upper level low that is sitting to the south of El Paso right now. This thing has not moved very much in the past several days. This is why we've seen those chances for showers and thunderstorms here across West Texas and even into East Texas. This is pulling all that Gulf moisture into portions of West Texas and winding up with showers and thunderstorms for us across much of the area. There they are right there on the clouds and radar, seeing those showers here across portions of West Texas, even into East Texas. Houston, San Antonio under a flash flood warning there right now, so watching for that flooding potential, especially a greater chance down to our south and east into the San Antonio and even into the Houston area. You got a flash flood watch down there into our counties just to the south and east of our area, but then we've got showers moving through portions of Sterling County right now, even into Reagan County, and then some light showers in and around San Angelo right now, so you're getting some of that mist, some of that light rain falling. As we go through our high-res futurecast, we're going to continue to see that chance for showers, even some thunderstorms as we go into the overnight hours tonight. You may hear a couple of rumbles of thunder overnight tonight. I do want to preference that the severe weather risk as we go into tonight and into Saturday, that severe weather risk is very low for us here across much of our area as we go into Saturday. But there is a chance for some thunderstorms, maybe even some that produce a little bit of small hail with them, so don't be surprised if you see that throughout the day on Saturday. Otherwise, it's going to be a cloudy, wet day for us across the area on Saturday. In fact, here's that rainfall potential for us. Many of us picking up another 1 to 2 inches, maybe even 3 inches in some of our communities. That's why there's that flash flooding potential or flooding potential for us, especially across our southern communities down there near Sonora and even in Ozona. So watch out for that you can run into some of that as we go through the day on Saturday. It's not just us here, but also portions of East Texas. This is the potential rainfall for us as we go through Sunday. So watching for that flooding threat down and around the Houston area. So a lot of rainfall for Texas as we go through the first half of our weekend. Sunday brings nicer weather for us. We'll start to see that sunshine, temperatures back into the low 90s, upper 80s. And then by Monday, we're starting to see more sunshine, temperatures in the 80s. We'll see a cool down as we go into Tuesday towards the middle of the week, bring temperatures back into the 70s and 80s with plenty of sunshine as we go through the rest of next week. Tonight, this is where we're going down to around 58 with thunderstorms and showers in our area. North winds at around 5 miles an hour for our Saturday. We'll top out near 70 with thunderstorms throughout much of our area. North winds at 5 miles an hour. The next 5 days look like this for us as we go into our weekend. We're going to be watching for that thunderstorm chance all day Saturday, and then on Sunday we start to dry out. Temperatures warm back into the 90s for us before another cold front drops us back into the 70s and 80s for daytime highs. We'll be back with more KCAN News right after this.